Step into a world where every blade of grass hides a secret, and every barnyard corner buzzes with life. Adventures in the Tiny Wild invites you on a journey to meet the charming, the quirky, and the downright fascinating creatures that share our world. From the gentle moo of a cow to the excited bark of a puppy, and even the tiny buzz of a busy bee, this adventure celebrates the big personalities of small and not so small animals. Whether you're a farm fan, honeybees live in colonies with a complex social structure, including a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. Honeybees build honeycombs in hexagonal cells, which are incredibly efficient for storing honey and raising brood. Honeybees make honey by collecting nectar, digesting it, Scorpions have two large claw-like pincers, pedipalps, and a long, curved tail with a venomous stinger. Scorpions are widely distributed across the globe, from Africa to the Americas, but they do not live in Antarctica. Scorpions often pinch rather than sting when threatened. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. They have 8 legs and 2 body parts, while insects have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Spiders don't chew food. They inject digestive enzymes into prey, turning it into liquid, which they suck up. Ants' colony has different castes: queens, egg layers, workers, females that do tasks, and males for mating. Ants build complex nests with tunnels and chambers that can regulate temperature and humidity. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. Dragonflies are ancient insects that existed even before dinosaurs, dating back over 300 million years. Dragonfly's eyes cover most of its head and allow it to see nearly 360 degrees. Each eye has up to 30,000 lenses. Bulls are mainly used for breeding, and in some cultures, for work or sport, like bullfighting. Bulls can be territorial and aggressive, especially around other males or during breeding season. Bulls eat grass, hay, grains, and silage, just like cows. They have a 4-chambered stomach to help digest tough plant matter. Zebras are about 4 to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh between 400 to 850 pounds, 180 to 385 kilograms. Zebras live in groups called herds or harems, often led by a dominant male stallion. Zebras need to drink water daily. Green iguanas spend most of their time in trees and are excellent climbers with sharp claws and strong legs. Green iguanas are strong swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 30 minutes. Green iguanas are native to Central and South America. Dung battles often look like tiny wrestling matches, with beetles pushing, rolling, and flipping each other. Male dung beetles often battle over dung balls, which are used to attract mates or feed larvae. To a dung beetle, dung is a valuable resource. Butterflies taste with their feet. Their taste sensors are located on their feet, allowing them to detect the right plants for laying eggs. Butterflies transform from caterpillars into adults through a process called metamorphosis. Sheep can recognize and remember up to 50 individual sheep and human faces for years. They use this ability to maintain complex social relationships within their flock. When sick, sheep will selectively eat specific plants that contain medicinal properties to treat their ailments. Weevils are a type of beetle. They belong to the beetle family, Curculionidae, and are recognized by their long, curved snouts. Weevil antennae are bent like elbows and often rest along their snout, giving them a unique appearance. Weevils are small. Stag beetles can range in size from 2.5 to 12 centimeters, 1 to 4.7 inches, depending on the species. Males are generally larger than females. Stag beetles can fly, but they're slow and clumsy. Males are often seen flying at dusk looking for mates. Stag beetles belong to the Lucanidae family. Ladybugs are beneficial insects because they eat pests like aphids, mites, and scale insects that damage plants. Ladybugs live for about 1 year, going through complete metamorphosis: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Ladybugs are considered good luck in many cultures. Grasshoppers are insects with 6 legs, 2 antennae, and 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Grasshoppers have strong back legs that allow them to leap 20 times their body length or more. Grasshoppers are often confused with crickets. Goats were one of the first animals domesticated by humans, originally in the Middle East. Goats can climb steep rocks and trees. Mountain goats live in extreme alpine environments. Goats eat grass, hay, shrubs, leaves, and weeds. Farmers often use goats to clear land of unwanted vegetation. Yellow iguanas, like green ones, can change shades slightly depending on temperature, mood, and health. Yellow iguanas are albinomorphs. They lack melanin, which gives them a uniform yellow or golden color with red eyes. Yellow iguanas behave like regular green iguanas, herbivorous, arboreal, and needing heat and UVB light. Red iguanas spend much of their time in trees, using their strong legs and sharp claws to climb and cling to branches. Red iguana is known for its striking bright red or reddish-orange coloration, which makes it stand out compared to other iguanas. A pet lover or a bug explorer, there's a wild wonder waiting for you. Ever wondered how a chicken's feathers stay so fluffy? Or why fireflies light up the night? Dive into the hidden lives of farm animals, where pigs roll in mud to stay cool, goats climb almost anything,